Hello students, today I will start chapter number 7, that is cube and cube roots. Let's see the question number 1. In this question, which of the following numbers are not perfect cube? हमें बताना है कि कौन से नंबर perfect cube नहीं है. Students, I noted few questions on the board. The first one is 216. So firstly, we will do the factors of 216. 2 1 are 2, then 0, 2 8 are 16, then again it will cancel from the table of 2. 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8, then again 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 7 are 14, then it will be cancelled from table of 3, 3 9 are 27, then 3 3 are 9, then 3 1 are 3. After this, you have to note down each factors here. That means you can see 2 is 3 times, then 3 is also 3 times. Students, in the cube root, perfect cube, you have to see the groups of 3 digits. You can see here is the group of 3 digits and also here is the group of 3 digits. So its answer will be yes, it is a perfect cube. Now moving on this sum, 128 is the value. So firstly you have to find out the factor here. 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 8, then 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4, then 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, then 2 8 are 16, then 2 4 are 8, then 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, then 2 1 are 2. After this you have to note down all factors here. You can see here this group is done, then again this group is completed, but this is not completed. So firstly you have to note down all the factors here. 4 7. Students, you can see its group is completed and its group is completed, but its group is not completed. So the answer of this question is no, it is not a perfect cube. Now students, let's see the question number 2. In this question you have to find out the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be multiplied to obtain the perfect cube. Let's see the question number A. A part is 243. So firstly students, we will find the factors of 243. Like it will be cancelled from the table of 3. 3 8 are 24, 3 1 are 3, then again from the table of 3, 3 2 are 6, 3 7 are 21, then from the table of 3, 3 9 are, then 3 3 are 9, then 3 1 are 3. And after this you have to note down all the factors of 243 here. How many times are 3? 5 times are 3. Now students, let's make the group. You can see its group is completed, but its group is not completed. How many 3's are remaining here? You can see 1 2 1 3 is remaining. So answer will be 3 must be multiplied. Similarly students, you have to solve the B part. In the B part, firstly you have to do the factors. 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 2 8 are 16, 2 9 are 18, then 3 3 are 9, then 3 1 are 3. After this you have to note down all the factors here, and then you have to make the group. You can see its group is completed, but its group is not completed. So answer will be 3 must be multiplied. So students, try to solve rest of the part of like A and B part of this question. Thank you. Now all the students, let's see the question number 3. In this question you have to find out the smallest number by which each of the following numbers must be divided to obtain a perfect cube. In your previous question you have to do the multiply and here you have to do the divide. How? Let's see. Again these are some questions which is available. The first value is 81. So simply you have to do the factors of 81. It will be cancelled from the table of 3. 3 2 are 6, 3 7 are 21. Then 3 9 are 27. Then 3 3 are 9. Then 3 1 are 3. And after this you have to note down all the factors here. That means 4 times 3. Now students, you can see this is the group of 3. It is completed. But here only 1 3 is left, so it is not completed. So the answer is 3 must be divided. Similarly students, you have to solve this one. Like 128 the digits, firstly you have to do the factor of 128. It will be cancelled from the table of 2, then again 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 from the table of 2. Now you have to note down all the factors here. 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, then again 1, 2, 3, then 1. That means 7 times total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Students, when we will make the group, you can see this group is done because 3 digits are here. So again this group is done because again 3 digits is here and only 1, 2 is left. So we can say that 2 must be divided. Now all the students, you have to do like A and B part, all of the parts of question number 3. Try to do it yourself. Thank you. Now all the students, let's see the question number 4. This question is like question number 2. In that question you have to do the multiply, and again we have to do the multiply here. Let's see how. In this question, the question told you Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides. Sides are given of the cuboid. 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. That means this is the length, this is the breadth and this is the height. So firstly we will find out the volume of the cube. Volume of cube formula is L into B into H. That means 5 into 2 into 5. That means 50 will be the volume of cuboid. Now in the last part of this question, the question asks you how many such cuboids will he needed to form a cube. उसको कितने क्यूबाइड्स और चाहिए क्यूब बनाने के लिए. Let's see rest of the part of this sum. Now you can see the volume of cube's value is 50. So we have to do the factor of 50 here. When we will do the factor of 50. Its factor will be 2 multiply 5 multiply 5. Now students, you can see this is not in the triplet form. Means ये groups complete नहीं है. Because in the perfect cube the three groups will be completed. Then we can say it is the perfect cube, but here you can see the groups are not completed. So you can see only 1, 2 is here. That means 2 2s are left. That means 2 2s are left and 2 5s are here. That means 1 5 is left. That means 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. If we multiply it by 20, that means then it will be a perfect cube. So for making the group in the triplets form, so you have to do the multiply it by 20. So the answer will be 20 cubes will be needed. How many such cuboids will he needed to form a cube? So the answer is 20 cubes will be needed. Okay, students. Now all the students, let's see the next exercise, that is exercise number 7.2 of this chapter. Let's see the question number 1. In this question you have to find out the cube roots of the following. Students, let's see the A part. Firstly, we will use the symbol of the cube root. When we will put 3 here, that means this will be the symbol of the cube root. In the square root symbol is this, and when we put here 3, that means this will be the symbol of cube root. And after this, students, you have to do the factor of the digit. That means 64 is the digit. Now we will do the factors like 2, then again from the table of 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 2. And after this, you have to note down each and every factors inside the cube root symbol. Like how many times of 2? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now students, you can see this group is completed because 3 2s are here, and again you can see this group is also completed. Again 2 3s are here. That means from here, from this group, we will pick 1 2 outside of this cube root symbol, and again from here we will pick again 2 from the outside of this symbol. So when we multiply it, 2 2s are 4 is the answer of this question. Similarly, students, we will solve this question. Firstly, we will use the cube root symbol, and inside the cube root symbol, we have to note down this digit. The digit is 10648, 10,648. It will be cancelled from the table of 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then again from the table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. Then again from the table of 2. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are. Then it will be cancelled from the table of 11. Then again from the table of 11. Then again from the table of 11. Now students, you have to note down each and every factors of the digit inside the cube root symbol. That means 2 is here 3 times and 11 is here 3 times. Now you can see here students, this group is completed because 3 2s are here, and this group is also completed because 3 11 are here. That means we will pick 1 2 from here and we will pick 1 11 from here. That means the answer of this question is 22. So students, try to solve rest of the part of this question number 1. Now students, let's see the question number 3. Students, question number 2 you have to do it yourself because this question is based on the true false. So try to do it yourself. In the question number 3, the question clearly told you are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Clearly already question told you that 1331 is a perfect cube. But in that question, the question told you, can you guess without factorization? That means you can't do the factorization here. Without doing the factorization, you have to find out the value of 1331. Let's see how we will find out the value. I noted few cubes here from 1 to 9. 1's cube value is 1, 2 cubes value is 8, 3 cube means 27, similarly 4 cube means 64, similarly 9 cubes means 729. Now students, for this digit, firstly we will put the cube root symbol here, and from the last count the digit 1 2 3, then you have to divide it. Now there are two digits, 331 and 1. Firstly we will pick 331 and see its ones digit. One digit is 1. So pick from here. 1 will become here. And 1's cube is 1. That means its value will be 1. Now pick this digit. Here is the 1 only. When you can see 1 is here. So its answer is also 1. So its value will be 11. Now pick the next question. Next digit is 4913. Firstly we will use the cube root symbol, and now we again count from the last 1 2 3, then group it. After the 3 digit we have to make the group. From the last we have to count 1 2 3, then we have to make the part. Now students, you can see what is the ones digit here. 3. Sorry, 3 is here. Now pick 3 will come here. You can see in the 7's cube. 7's cube, 1's digit will be 3. So its value will be 7. Now pick the 1's place value. It is 4. And 4 will come in 64. You can see. So its value will be, 4 will become here. You can see 8 is here. So it is greater than 4. So we will pick 1's value. That means its value will be 1. Let's see the next question. Next question is 12,167. Now students, again we will use the cube root symbol here. Now count up from the last 3 digits. 1 2 3, then make a group. Now pick the 1's place digit. Here is the 7, and 7 will come in the 3's cube. So its value will be 3. Now you can see 12 is here. So you can see in the 3's cube value is 27. So it is greater than 12. So we will pick 2's cube. It is 8. That means the rest part's answer is 23. So students, let's see the last part. It is the last part, 32,768. We will make the cube root here, and part the digits. Last 3 digit when we count 1, 2, 3, 768 will be the last digit. And pick its unit digit. Unit digit is 8. 8 will come in the 2's cube. So its value will be 2. And here you can say 32 is here. 32, you can see 4's cube value is 64. It is greater. So we will pick 3 cubes, that is 27. That means its answer will be 32. Thank you, students.